finds their place
Yeah.
in this new digital world. The ceremonial signing of the
Ayan yun, nakikita ko pumapalo naman dito. Okay na ba? Meron na?
The ceremonial signing of the Memorandum of Agreement between Globe and Starlink, we take a huge step forward.
We take a huge step forward. Muntikan ko ng interpret. Kung wala pa rin sound, ako na magsasalita eh. We would like to share to you this opportunity of a huge step that we're going to take about the Starlink.
Towards a more progressive, connected, and equitable Philippines. This collaboration is proof of our shared commitment to bringing connectivity to even the
Sa tingin ko, kaya kong gayahin to si PBBM eh. Mapapractice ko to. With our continuous commitment. Merong may mga... Patok yun, no? Pagka ginaya ko.
furthest communities in our archipelago. From the very beginning of this administration, we have been very clear. The future of the Philippines must be and will be digital, and it must be inclusive.
Yun! The future of this country will be and must be. Mali.
Through the launch of Direct-to-Cell or DTC service, first in Southeast Asia and second in Asia, we made satellite-powered mobile connectivity available in the Philippines. We have been reading about it for a few years now, and to our most pleasant and wonderful surprise, we wake up today to find out that it is here in the Philippines to the advantage of all our countrymen. Sa pamamagitan ng DTC...
Ayan, no? Hindi na natin masyadong yan, ha? So, yan, magandang balita yan, no? Yung Globe, no? To start, yung collaboration na yan, no? Para at least mas mapalakas yung patuloy na reklamo nila Boss James. Ni Boss Kume, na mahina yung ano, no? Kaya masusolusyonan na ng Starlink. Kaya, saan na ba ano natin? Dapat ka-adjust stage. Ayan, no? So, panalo tayong lahat dyan, no? Talagang yun yung gusto talaga ng ating mahal na Pangulo, no? Na patuloy na maging pagdating dyan sa digitalization, no? Pati yung mga proseso. Alam nyo, maganda kasi yun eh. Sa totoo lang. Dapat nga yung mga congressman natin tsaka mga senador, no? Gumawa ng mga batas na nauukol yung sa mga pag-digitalize ng mga proseso dyan sa atin, panalo yan. Di ba yung mga ibang mga... Kasi dito lahat, ganun na eh. Kaya lang, ang problema dito kasi, no, walang masyadong gahaman kagaya dyan sa Pinas. Na mga, wala kasing politician dito eh. Dito eh. Di ba? Mga leader, mga sheikh, mga ganun eh. Di ba? Your Highness. So, dito, dyan kasi dito, kunyari yung mga datas ng mga tao, no? Talagang accessible yan para dun sa mga police, di ba? So, madali sila madaling mahanap yung mga tao. Tapos, konektado na, no? Ngayon, dito, yung may mga kaso, dito, meron ng police cam, no? Na yung body cam nila, nade-detect na kung may crime ka. Tapos pagka syempre legal yung pagpasok mo, tapos nagkaroon ka ng huli ka kagad, no? Yung monitoring dito, meron dito yung naman kahit sa sasakyan. Basta yung sasakyan ng police, merong 10 meters away detected ka na. Ganun ka dito. Madidetect ka kagad nila kung may crime ka, kung may kaso ka. Ganun ka din dito. Sana maging ganun din dyan, no? Dito, tapos yung police visibility dito. Grabe din police visibility rito. Mayat maya, nakakakita ka ng police eh. Literal na mayat maya. Di ba, syempre kung yung police visibility yung traffic very very talagang visible, no? talagang kakabahan ka, 'di ba? Oh, anyways. So punta na tayo dun sa ating mga main topic. I think those yun lang naman yung both topic natin na na good vibes. Eto. So, punta na tayo dito sa ating susunod na talakayin. Magandang gabi po dun sa lahat. At syempre, welcome dito sa Birahan PH. Happy Friday po ulit, no? Dun sa mga bagong dating, kagaya ni Ma'am Meshang, wag po natin pagpapansinin yan, ha? Late. Hindi, shout out, Ma'am Meshang. Si Boss Max Safe, nabati na natin yan, syempre. Sino pa ba? And then the rest, no? Sa lahat ng mga nandyan, no? Syempre, shout out sa inyo. Lagi maraming salamat, no, sa inyong suporta, no. Tulungan nyo kaming palakasin tong Birahan PH, no, kung hindi naman masyadong abala sa inyo. I-share nyo na po, baka kasi mamaya i-share pa to ng iba. 'Di ba? Kung i-share to ng iba, di naunahan pa kayo. Mas maganda kung kayo na mag-share, ha. So, pasok na po tayo. Dating gawi, no, batian tayo right after nung topic natin, then topic ulit. O to, pasok. Sabi rito, low-hanging, ito maganda rito. Ito lang maganda sa sa StreamYard, no? Pag in-adjust mo yung nag-a-adjust din siya. Pumupwesto pa. Sabi rito, low-hanging fruit key in final years of Marcos administration. Sabi ni Palafox. Ayan. O sige, pasok.
Has about 2.5 years left until June of 2028. When it comes to infra projects and city planning, what do you think they got right? And between now and June of 2028, what can they realistically accomplish?
Ma'am, we have projects with the Department of Transportation. No corruption. One of them is making our cities walkable, bikeable with public transit. No corruption with Department of Transportation. Unlike the other agencies like MMDA and Department of Public Works, we never won a project. So there's a bright spot. I was part of the Philippine Development Plan 2023-2028, hired by ADB, and my assignment was seamless connectivity. And I asked the question, how come our planning in our country is electoral calendar? Elsewhere in the world, it's not just short-term opportunistic, but long-term and visionary. That's why the project we're doing now for LGUs, it's not just immediate action program, short-term, medium-term, long-term, and visionary, well into 2050, into 2100. So we have 900 days of this administration. This administration now, together with the private sector, should see what is implementable the next 900 days.
Yeah, what do you think is implementable within the next couple hundred days, sir?
Yeah, these low-hanging fruits, like making our cities walkable, bikeable, safer. And our country has so much blessings. We only have 7 challenges: corruption, criminality, climate change, inequality, investments, infrastructure, and incompetence. With so many blessings, we know the problems, we know the solutions. I think